Damn, this other PSP's a piece of shit. Hold on. I'm gonna try to get it up over here. Fuck that. I'll bring this to that PSP. Just chilling around everywhere. It's kinda hard to fucking see them. The little fireballs. They're pretty cool because other PSP, hold on. See, other PSP, can't see them. So, they gotta walk around. Okay, so this analog was fucking retarded. And, you know, well, just kinda happened, but this analog's a piece of shit. It doesn't move anywhere. Hold on, I'll come back down there. Look where I am, but I still can't fucking move anywhere in this piece of shit. He walks like a fucking moron. It's faster sideways. Fuck that PSP. Throw the bitch out. And hit kill works pretty good. This thing's pretty cool too. Stop this video so fuck off because I can't hold a fucking PSP still. Let's go find a Jew. Just kidding. Jews are my friends.